on the Oregon Trail. That must have tipped over some people. It's quite steep. We're on a road trip across the western states of America. Our plan: discover beautiful and weird places, see some friends and family, and stealth camp most nights in our micro camper. We named our car Toasty because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Let's go and enjoy the journey. South Dakota! So we're on our way to Rushmore, but I wanted to take the long road in because I read on Google that there's this very specific crazy windy road that is like carved into the mountain, has loop-de-loops, whatever that means, and as a road.
It's Iron Mountain Road, here we go.
One lane tunnel through a 2-lane street. There's Rushmore ahead of us. What? That's so cool. Comes a loop-de-loop. Here's the bridge. And then we're gonna go under it.
It feels like a Disneyland ride.
It really does feel like a Disneyland ride.
It's so artificial. Like he built a log overpass in the 1920s.
Everyone says it's like so much smaller in real life, but I actually get the opposite impression. Maybe because hearing everyone say it's so small, but
Well, it is quite little.
I think it looks pretty big.
Once you get closer, you realize it's only 60 feet tall.
Okay, maybe, yeah, maybe.
Like it's always shot as this like epic mountain, and it's like it's like they carved them into a hill.
We're in the Black Hills. They're not that tall to start with. Boots on Boardwalk. This is the loop trail from this terrace. We actually went this way, so we can go to the sculptor studio first and learn about all the context to see, and then climb up the stairs and go around. I think a lot of people go the other way because looks like an easier walk. We're in the drive-through because we've been on a quest to get this Prairie Berry local South Dakota wine. Finally found a place that happens to be a drive-through liquor store at 8:45 in the morning. Rhubarb strawberry wine. Will we like it? We don't know yet. We're in this place called Guernsey, Wyoming, because I really wanted to see some Oregon Trail stuff. Oregon Trail! Oregon Trail!
What do you think?
It's interesting. Some of them are old, some of them are new. I think the old ones are really cool. It was really quiet here about 2 minutes ago, and then all of a sudden this hubbub showed up. Pony Express Station, 1860 to 1861. That's where Shawn went swimming. And we've got the registered cliffs right there.
We just had a very Oregon Trail kind of a lunch experience.
We had picnic in our wagon. Yeah.
In our covered toasty.
Toasty
we
wagon.
looked at all the people that have come before us. And then I went for a swim in a river that's been there forever.
This was an actual place that the Oregon Trail pioneers stopped and slept. It was the very first campsite after you left Fort Laramie. Oregon Trail ruts. Wow. Wagons were narrow. I'm in the Oregon Trail. Westward. Ho. Oregon Trail. There's no signs that say don't walk through it, so here we go. We're on the Oregon Trail. Wagon ruts, wagons are rolling, rolling, rolling. Pretty great view.
So chill up here. It's a great little campsite. What, 3 cars besides us? Twinkle lights are on, bed's made. I feel relaxed. Boondocking was another great success. Killer view, easy drive. I'm sure I'm jinxing myself if we get a flat tire any moment.
Hello, Utah. Goodbye, Wyoming. That's too long. I can sing that.
That song really went places.